Check out how I made Monica's kitchen in miniature. I started with a simple box and basic furniture kitchen pieces. I glued a cool New York background behind the kitchen window and added real brick. This lighting gives it a cool effect. I added lights into every shelf of the fridge. I used paper clay to add the grout. It got a little messy, but it looked really cool in the end, especially after you paint different colors into the brick. Then I glue down the floor and stain it afterwards. I used this really cool turquoise paint for the furniture. Added that little cabinet. This was a 3D printed stove. Some baseboard, all those little accessories. Had to have custom made curtains. All the tiny accessories make it the best, especially cookie time. Thanks for watching.